Hello guys, this is WunderTrading and we carry on with our free TradingView strategy automation. This week we decided to concentrate on one of the strategies which is using the RSI and the volume weighted average price. You can see the original offer just in front of you. At the same time you can see how the indicator will look like. So basically what the strategy does, it takes the volume weighted average price as the close price for calculation of RSI instead of the just closing price. And at the same time, the strategy is very simple. So when the RSI is crossing the threshold from the bottom, the strategy signal is to buy and then sell on the opposite side. The original strategy showed quite a nice backtest. At the same time, with a nice percentage of profitability, not a huge max drawdown, and the overall net profit was quite good. However, this strategy was aiming only at the long positions rather than short positions as well, and we made a couple of improvements and find a better asset to use this strategy on. So what we did, we used this strategy for Ethereum perpetual contract on FTX using the 15-minute time frame, and this is the backtest result that you can see in front of you. The net profit is just above 700%. The max drawdown is almost 9%, and average trade is around 4.47%. So, a couple of warnings before you apply this strategy. First of all, the percentage profitable is quite low for the bot. However, the strategy supports both long and short positions, and you can see the performance summary as well. At the same time, we improved the code slightly. So what we did is we created the new input variables for the short positions only, so you can play with them and make sure that your long conditions and short conditions can be different. We left the plotting functions as well, so if you want to see the indicator for long or for short, you can plot it. We also added the take profits, stop losses and trailing stops. However, in our settings, we understood that we only using the stop loss, and this is the only thing which matters for this particular strategy. So your stop loss for the long will be 3.3% and your stop loss for the short positions will be just 4%. At the same time, we will not be converting this strategy into the study scripts anymore, because with WunderTrading you would be able to launch your TradingView strategies straight as an automated bot. We do have the video on how to do that in our YouTube channel. One last thing that I wanted to show to you is how this strategy is operating during the trending market and how it's operates during the flat market. So for that, we'll take the previous month. And you can see that the net profit will be around 72% just for 1 month, with quite a nice percentage of profitable deals and a very low max drawdown. A nice steady upward curve, which is quite good to see during the trending markets. So this was during the May 2020. Let's now compare this with June 2020. And this is a nice example to show that this is a purely trending strategy. So if you do have any ideas on how to make sure that you can determine the flat horizontal channel, then you would be able to add this into your code and improve the strategy dramatically. As usual, we will leave the code in our WunderTrading documentation and tutorials. You would be able just to copy and paste it in your TradingView script and run it on Ethereum perpetual contract 15-minute time frame FTX exchange. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the content, please smash the like button so we can understand that you prefer to see more of these strategies, and best of luck with your trading.